but also with the realms of creativity and the arts. Please welcome Ms. Leia Marie Aye.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Thank you for being here today. So I'm very honored to be invited as one of the workshop speakers. But it's kind of different because we are not actually doing workshop. We are actually introducing papers that you can use for your art. And this is so important because the appreciation in paper doesn't only come with what you see, but also with when once you touch it, parang how you appreciate yung texture. And recently, the reason why we've shown the video kasi apart from innovating the paper that we can use for our art, let's say for example for your books, for your postcards, for your stickers, we are also here to introduce to you some papers that has environmental credentials. Kasi importante na rin sa atin ngayon to be sustainable. When we say sustainable, it's not only about the environment, it's also about checking and auditing if the papers are coming from a responsible business environment. Which means na when they manufacture, they follow protocols and systems according to the ESG or environmental social governance. So moving on, so again, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Leia. I've been in the paper industry for 20 years now. This is like my DNA na din kasi I really love paper ever since. Kahit na nung nag-aaral pa po ako, I really have an appreciation with paper. Lalo na po yung mga, before kasi nauso yung mga craft during our time. And then parang may appreciation ako dun sa mga parang alam papamilroti. So ngayon naman, because of innovation, mas marami tayong options. So I'd also like to introduce our team. So we have Marites Dubilio, she's our sales manager and our marketing. So we are currently are having our we have our exhibit booth dito po sa Comiket area. So if you'd like to know more about our paper products, so you can visit us. We are also on Paper Safe. So nauna po yung plug.